I discovered Chemical Guys about 3 years ago when I bought this 16-piece kit. It changed the way I clean cars. My cars not only look incredible, but with this little Honeydew, they smell fantastic too. Wouldn't believe it. So let's start with the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. What you do with this, and there's not a lot left, and there's also a bigger one in my shed because I love it so much. You put a little bit in your foam cannon, put the rest of the water, attach this to your water pressure gun, and your entire car is going to be covered in a amazing foamy suds, and that helps separate all that dirt, all that grime off of your car. They do provide you with some little towelettes and buffing pads. This is, for example, a buffing pad when you are waxing, so to finish off your car, waxing off your car with this. And what do you use with this? The butter wax. This thing, you don't need a lot, and I haven't used a lot, just a little bit will do, and it will completely shine your car. The other thing that they come with, of course, glass cleaner. This glass cleaner is really, really good. It is streakless, so it's very easy to apply. There's also something that we always forget. The Diablo wheel cleaner will help you clean all those rims, those hard to get places. Just literally mix it with water, spray it on, and leave it for 5-10 minutes, and just clean it off, wash it off, and it's sparkling brand new again. And it comes with my favorite part, one of my favorite parts, is their Chemical Guys bucket. The really cool thing about this bucket is the accessory it comes with. What is this? This sits at the bottom of the bucket and basically will separate all the sediments, all the grime, the dirt that will reside in that soapy water, because you don't want that to be back on your glove or pad and reapply on your car and maybe scratch the surface of your car. So just put that in there and away you go. This whole set, you can replenish it individually, just like I'm doing, in bigger size. But if you've never heard of Chemical Guys, try this 16-piece set. You will be hooked. It's incredible.